Yeah, we're going to talk about the three views of an object, and the three views are going to be the top, the front, and the right. Oops. And you'll see these referred to as something different sometimes as well. So sometimes the top will be called the base, and the right view will be called the side view. But the top, front, and the right are what you normally refer them to. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and draw these. So if you're looking at that shape, I colored in the tops. So if you're looking at that from the top, so you'd be looking down. Let's change colors here. So looking down, we would see two blocks in the front, and then two coming back. So that would be your top view. If you're looking at the front, you'd be looking this way. So all you would see were those front four blocks. You wouldn't see the ones behind it. And then from the side view, you would see, looking this way, you'd see kind of like a knocked over L shape. So that would be your top, front, and right view. Alright, here I've given you the three views, the top or the base, the front, and the right or the side. And we need to draw this figure. So I like to start with the front view. So what you would see on the front view would be three blocks, like that. Shading my tops so we know that there's the tops. And then we still have one more sticking up, and if you look at the right view, that right view tells you that block sticking up is actually behind the other blocks, and the front view tells you it's behind that middle block. So we need one more block sticking up right here, and shading my top there. So you can see based on this drawing that the front, you would see three on the bottom and then one sticking up in the middle. From the top we would have three on the top and then one behind that middle one. And then from the right you would see one block on the left and then two blocks on the right. So that's what that figure would look like with those three views. Alright, so let's do one more. So on this, looking at these, the top I'm going to see four blocks. So I'm going to need four blocks on the bottom layer. And then I'm going to look at the front, and one of the bottom layers needs two blocks, and then looking at the right, the back right needs two blocks. So really what we have is four blocks on the bottom and then one block on the back right side when you look at it from the front. So let's try and draw that. Alright, so I got my two blocks there. I need one more block going back, and then I need one block going up from there. Clean that up just a little bit. And don't worry when you're drawing these things if you need to erase and fix them. It takes practice getting used to drawing these. Alright, so if you're looking down, I would see four blocks. If you're looking from the front, I would see two blocks on the bottom and then one block behind it. And then if you're looking from the right, I would see one block on the left and two blocks on the right. So that's how you draw a figure from the three views.